feel that you are not able to achieve anything in life right now? Do you think that this pandemic is just taking away all the energy from your life and making you miserable? Do you feel that all the sources of income for you has stopped? Let me tell you, there are thousands of people who are making good use of their time right now. They are growing and developing tremendously. Do you want to know what are they doing? Hello, I am Aditya Vikram Lohia. I am a life coach, and today we are going to discuss about the basic requirement to grow profoundly, to have an amazing growth in your life. One, you need to discover your talent. Yes, you need to know what you are absolutely amazing at, what you are good at. And second is you need to be consistent in whatever you are doing. Think about it for a moment. You are doing something in life, but you are not getting anywhere. You are not feeling good about whatever you are doing. You are not confident about whatever you are doing. Why is it so? Why is your 9 to 5 job something which is not giving you satisfaction? Maybe because you are doing something which does not make you feel happy, which does not make you feel good, which does not make you feel content from within. The moment you discover your talent, you are going to scale up. You are going to be a different personality altogether. Why? Because your talent is not just about one thing. You can use your talent everywhere. I'm not asking you to quit your job. I'm not asking you to start something new right now. I'm talking about a talent that you can use in your job as well. Supposedly, if you discover that you have an amazing talent of speaking, then you can use that talent in your job. You can convince your bosses, you can convince your colleagues for doing so many things for you. If you think that you are very good at designing, you can design good things in your shop or in your office or in your workplace. If you think that you are a very good strategist, you can use your strategies to design success for you, your company, for people around you. So your talent could be anything, but to understand your talent and to find that one thing in your talent that makes you special is very important. And once you know what your talent is, the next thing is to be consistent at growing your talent, at exploring your talent, and being consistent in whatever you're doing. Do not give up. The biggest challenge in today's day is that after doing something for a few days or a few months, we just give up. Why? Because we are not getting results. We are not getting results because maybe right now the seed is below the surface. It is growing within. It is actually having deep roots right now. And once it gets the roots, then gradually it will come out of the surface of the soil. And then you will be able to see the bud, and then gradually the flower, and then your tree of success, your tree of achievements will grow, and you will feel amazing about it. So, do you want to be that someone who is going to use this pandemic for your growth instead of just pushing yourself back and feeling bad about it? You need to start this right now. Find your talent and be consistent in exploring your talent.